I had a vision of the boys scootering, skateboarding, inside and out, and being polished concrete, you can't really hurt the floors, so that was the whole design aspect of our build. And we identified a really standout product, and that was Integrate. It ticked all our boxes. It had unlimited options with the doors and the windows and the louver sections, and we wanted a stacker door in the back and the bifold door to the side. I showed the builder Integrate, and he liked what he saw. We got the plumber on board, and it was really quite simple. It was easy installation, and we got a great product, great result. We can open up the doors when entertaining. The Integrate drain, you can easily remove it, wipe it out, hose it out. It never backs up with any leaf matter or anything. I never have a problem with it. It's very user-friendly, maintenance-free, and it's aluminium as well, so no problems like tea staining with stainless steel or any upkeep like that. We wanted to lose the sills and even our head tracks. Once you open up the doors, it completely minimises and goes away. You don't even know it's there. Would highly recommend the Integrate to anyone looking for the flush seal option. Very, very simple and easy product, and it's withstood the test of time.
Integrate by Ezi Aluminium Systems, the game-changing flush seal innovation that allows uninterrupted floor surfaces for seamless integration between areas.